I got it in real gold, in 18 karat gold. Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy and where thieves break in and steal. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. For today's video guys, naisipan ko lang na i-share yung mga favorite na accessory na meron ako dito. So just a disclaimer, I am not doing this to brag in any way or form. Let's start guys. Some of my accessories, nilagay ko sila dito sa mga maliliit na box. So when I bought some of the pieces, they came in with a box, so I kept them so that if magbibigay ako or mag-gift ako, I can reuse the boxes. So without much further ado, let's start with the first item. Okay, the first item is this is a wedding ring. So this is my husband's wedding ring because unfortunately naiwala yung sa akin because when I got pregnant, lumaki yung aking ring finger, so hindi ko na siya maisuot, and my husband was wearing it in his little finger and unfortunately it was misplaced, so it's just okay. So this one, it says my name, Sharilyn, that's my real name, and yung date ng wedding namin, which is April 28, 2012. Just yesterday, we celebrated our 8th year anniversary. This is my first favorite. I think this is size 7.5 or 8. So this is in 10K yellow gold and white gold. So this is the first item, and the second item that I have in here is this one. This is what they call, ayan siya. So this is what they call a Cartier love ring. I got it in real gold, in 18 karat gold. It also got serials in it, and it has 750, which means 18 karat gold. So the third item that I got is this one. Ayan siya. So, I bought this from a pawn shop para po pwede ko siyang isanla if ever may nangangailangan ng tulong. Pwede kong isanla yung aking accessory para makatulong sa ibang tao. So, the next item that I have in here is this one. So, I have it here in a, ano to siya, a wedding giveaway. And yeah, our next item is a silver necklace. This is a gift from my husband. This is just a cross with diamonds in it. So, ayan siya. Yung next item natin, ang tawag dito ay tic-tac earring. So, ano din to siya, 18K na gold. And pwede din siyang isanla or ibenta or buy and sell. Nag-iisip kasi ako magba-buy and sell ng mga authentic gold. Let's proceed with the following items, guys. Ito naman ay charm bracelet. It was given to me by a product CEO or may-ari ng isang cosmetic line. When I made a video for them about a certain skincare product, binigyan niya ako nito. If I'm not mistaken, authentic gold din ito. So this is a charm bracelet. So even though I'm not into the belief, but I still use it. So because yeah, it was given, so I'm thankful about that. So let's proceed with this one. So this one is actually a bracelet that I got from an ukay-ukay store or a thrift store. So, mabigat din siya, guys. So, parang totoo din siya. I think I got this for 35 pesos only. So, if you want to ask kung saan makakabili, message nyo ako sa baba. And, the next one is this one. This is also a silver, ano ba tawag doon? Bangle ba ang tawag dito? So, bracelet or any, basta nga na. So, meron siyang diamonds here. This is like a leaf. Ayan, so I love this one. I like this one very much. So, you can just wear it like that. Ayan. So, meron ako here. Ayan, nakalagay siya dito kasi ano to siya. This is a gift naman tong mga lalagyan ng accessories. Gift naman to sa akin. So, I have few 925 silver accessories. But yeah, this one is a gift from our sisters in the church. Ayan, binigyan na ako nito. And yeah, some other accessories. This one also is given by our sister in the church. This is a couple ring na silver. And I also got some fashion accessories. So, yun, mga favorite ko din. So, I got this one. Parang nakatali siyang ganyan na may pearl. And this one is mga pearls naman na hoop. Ayan siya, hoop earrings. And this one also yung favorite ko. Ayan, so dalawa to siya. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Dalawa siya. So, the first one is I got from the store here in Cagayan de Oro. And the second one is what I got. I posted it on Instagram. This is from the February Lifestyle because I love Chris Oy. And I got one accessory from her. And some few accessories with pearls. Ayan siya. So last but not the least is this one. So this is one of my favorite accessory din man tawag dito. This is just a fossil watch with pink na parang rose gold siya or ano ba, pink inside na may mga diamonds sa kanyang hardware. So gustong gusto ko to kasi this is from our company raffle and it's free. Because if I'm going to buy an accessory or a something jewelry with that price, siguro hindi ko siya bibilhin. Mag-aantay na lang ako na may magbibigay sa akin, ganon. So, I think, guys, yun lang yung mai-share ko about my accessories or actually, I call them my savings or my investment because I can resell them in the future because tumataas nga yung value ng gold or yung value ng mga accessories na ganyan or yung mga real gold. But before I end this video, guys, I would just like to read from Matthew 6:19 to 21. So it says, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy and where thieves break in and steal. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy and where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." Actually, guys, this video is just a reminder for all of us kung ano yung pinaka-importante dito sa mundo. Actually, hindi yung material wealth, hindi yung kung ano yung yaman na mayroon tayo, but how we are and what is in our heart. Meron akong nabasa na it says, "You can love people and use your possession, but you cannot love your possession and use people." Di ba parang ang hirap no, na parang gagamitin mo yung mga tao for your own good, for your own benefit, and kung ano yung ginagawa mo dun sa wealth, pananagutan mo yan kay Lord kung ano yung ginawa mo tungkol dyan. Well, anyway, guys, yun nga, this is a reminder for me and for all of us that we should, sometimes we lost focus on what is good and what pleases God because we are more focused on seeking for ourselves the material wealth na iniisip natin na makakapagbigay ng joy, makakapagbigay ng saya, ng ligaya, ng contentment, na feeling natin kailangan natin. But real talk, guys, those material blessings, those material possessions, hindi sila makakapagbigay ng joy na gusto mo. Pwede silang makapagbigay ng temporary happiness. Yung happiness, nawawala lang din yun. But hindi sila nakapagbigay ng real na joy. What gives you real joy, guys, is actually helping the needy, giving to other people. Not the purpose of, tawag dito, seeking attention or hypocrisy. You just give because you want to be famous. You just give because you want to be recognized. But alam mo yun, I don't know, I hope you can get what I mean. Basta yun yung ibig kong sabihin. So, sometimes nawawala tayo sa focus. Kasi mas naghahanap tayo ng mga bagay. Mas nakafocus tayo doon, nakakalimutan natin na hindi ang wealth ang makakapagbigay sa atin ng saya. 'Di ba may isang, I was just reminded of that Korean celebrity who took her own life. Napaka-famous niya na celebrity na iniisip ko, bakit gano'n? Despite of the possessions, yung yaman na meron siya, alam mo yun, yung kaligayahan, yung pag-asa, the will to live, hindi mo siya makikita sa kung anong meron ka. Lahat tayo, alam mo, mawawala tayo dito sa mundo na kahit isang kusing lang or kahit 1 peso, pwede nating madala. Ang meron akong kakilalang isang person, very known to me, meron siyang lupain na napakalawak. And when he's still alive, alam mong napakahalaga sa kanya ng mga bagay na yon. But when he died and I looked down on his coffin, naalala ko, nga talaga, no, ang yaman ng tao, hindi mo siya madadala pag ikaw ay namatay na. But alam mo yung legacy na iiwan mo, legacy ba tawag doon? Alam mo yung naiiwan mo na nakatulong ka. And when you help other people with real intentions and pure intentions, those will be a treasure that you store up in heaven. Diba, when you do good deeds, when you do good things, when your heart is pure towards other people, those will be a treasure that you store in heaven. This video is just a reminder for all of us kung ano yung pinaka-importante sa atin, especially ngayon. Actually, for me, the pandemic is telling us what is really the basic. Pwede pala tayong mabuhay ng walang ganito, ng walang ganyan. Pwede pala. Pwede palang simple lang. I think that's all for this video, guys. So, mayroon akong pag-giveaway. Simpleng pag-giveaway lang for girls or for men out there para sa mga girlfriend or sa mga partners niyo. Just check the description down below kung ano yung mechanics to join the giveaway. So, yes. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great day. Keep safe always and just be thankful for everything. God bless everyone. Bye!